How to get student discount on Amazon Prime. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you'd also like to do so, in today's video we'll be explaining how. So for that, if you're on Amazon, you can head over to the membership section if you've not gotten the student discount. And these are some of the requirements for that. So the thing is, you need to be enrolled in an accredited college or university or be between 18 to 24 years old for that. And you need to be eligible as well. You need to check your eligibility. For that, you can head over to the sign up page of Amazon student and look out for that option. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and provide up your verification. You can complete and submit the sign up form. Use your e.edu email address and submit proof of enrollment, such as your student ID or an official acceptance later from the upcoming term. If your edu email address is not listed on your amazon.com, then that's okay. The only email that will send to your edu email address is the verification email. So if you use Android, you can verify or sign up using a web browser or contact the customer service. You may just head over to their page and you'll be finding all of the requirements and everything. You may just go ahead and you know sign up for their membership. We have different offers available. One is fast and free shipping, another one is unlimited streaming and grab up as well. Again, look out for the one that you think you need. After that, you can just go and look out for that and apply for it. You need to be eligible, as I said. Just go ahead and complete every eligibility. Like, go ahead and confirm that you are a student. And from 1 day or 2 day shipping on eligible items, you can just go ahead and access all of the features provided by Amazon Prime student membership. And that is it. So you may just head over and follow this process if you would like to get student discount on Amazon Prime. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.